Get vibrant color for up to 9 weeks with new Paul Mitchell Ultimate Color Repair Quinoa Color Locking System. Harnessing the reparative power of quinoa, Ultimate Color Repair targets the top 3 causes of color fade: frequent shampooing, thermal styling, and UV exposure. Quinoa is an ancient grain and a great source of protein. Quinoa penetrates deep into the hair and bonds like a magnet, creating a protective shield that locks in hair color, restores luster, and reverses the signs of damage. Our exclusive Quinoa Color Repair Complex gives you vibrant color for up to 9 weeks, prevention of thermal damage by 86%, 88% less breakage, and 59% more shine. Lock in color in 3 steps. Ultimate Color Repair Shampoo, a sulfate-free shampoo that protects, replenishes, and repairs color-treated hair. Ultimate Color Repair Conditioner, loaded with quinoa and powerful antioxidants to provide UV protection. And Ultimate Color Repair Triple Rescue, a dual-phase thermal protection spray that fights color fade caused by heat styling while delivering luminous shine and condition. For best results, shake until 2 phases are completely blended before every application. Shake well before use. Enjoy healthier hair and beautiful, vibrant color for up to 9 weeks. Get Ultimate Color Repair today. Visit a Paul Mitchell school or salon near you.